So you're ready to start writing your first draft. The thing to know about your first draft is when you've finished with it, you don't yet have a completed screenplay. You have a first draft. You have filled the blank page. You have given yourself a jumping off point. The real writing is in the rewriting. More on that in the next video. First, you have to get through your first draft. There's only one way. You just plow through. No looking back, no looking over your shoulder, just full speed ahead. But there are some techniques you can use to help you. The first one is to use time to your advantage in your writing process. You do this by writing 1 page a day. If you stick to a schedule of 1 page a day, at the end of 90 days, you have a 90-page screenplay. This helps take the overwhelm away. You aren't facing the whole thing all at once. You're just facing 1 page each day. If you're facing a deadline, you can make it 2 pages a day or 3 pages or whatever you need to meet that deadline. Another technique is when you get to the bottom of the page, you stop. Regardless of what you have in your head that you're dying to get down, just stop right there. And that way, when you come back the next day, you'll have a place to start from. You have some material already in your head ready to go. This cuts down on the facing the blank page syndrome. You're simply picking up where you left off the day before. That's not always easy to do because you want to get down those ideas you have in your head, but try it once or twice and see how it goes. Another technique is not to write for more than 1.5 hours at a time. As I mentioned in an earlier video, studies have shown that the brain needs a break after 1.5 hours. You want to listen to music for 10 minutes or something. Just change the channel, do something different for a few minutes. Use a standing desk so you can move around, act out your scenes, make it fun. Writing should be fun. If you get stuck, go out and take a walk. Don't torment yourself. Give yourself a solid break and then come back to it. Don't be a workaholic about your writing. That does not serve the creative process. And reward yourself for the wins along the way. I've finished the first act. I'm going to the beach. I've gotten halfway through. I'm going to go shopping. Most of all, don't be too attached to what you're writing in your first draft. This is only your first draft. You'll have far to go when you're done with it. The real writing is in the rewriting, and that will be the subject of my next video. Click here to see the next video, if it's already been posted. If it hasn't, click here to subscribe to make sure you're notified when it is.